Hello, my name's Kanji Coder. You're on video 941. The source code is right down here. We gotta fucking go. We found okay, top level constant macros. Okay, explosion shapes. These are monkey wrench macros. The correct thing is up here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay, oh god. Top level lookup tables. Okay, bomb categories. Okay, this was a fucking mistake. It needed a D underscore. It had a C underscore. I marked it as a bug fix, and this is a misspelling of this thing right here, okay? We have an explanation here. If you want more information, go Control F on that. Okay, in a legal section, monkey wrench macros. These things, all fucking wrong. The correct thing is D underscore B16 BC4. We're gonna take a bomb index, convert it to the bomb category, of which there are 4. Okay, down in the next section, bomb area function section. Okay, we're gonna do this in another video. This new section we've created, this new section right here, we have one function in it so far. Function bomb area unit test main boom spark. And this is the one-dimensional index of the tile and the V16 value of the bomb, right? So we have those two inputs right here. We're gonna get the input V16 is just a B16 that is on the bomb layer, okay? The X and Y of our index is this, right? We run a little formula and then convert the B16 into the bomb category by using a lookup table. We got BC4. If BC4 is not a spark type, then we are fucking up here because this is a boom spark for emitting a spark. So if this V16 does not represent a spark box, we're in the wrong goddamn function. Okay, we're gonna take the V16 value and convert it to an explosion shape, of which there are 4. V16 is going in, ES4 going out, okay? If it is a ring-shaped blast, we use this ring helper function. Laser-shaped blast, there are no fucking lasers for spark pins. If it's a jack-shaped explosion, we have the Jack's explosion helper here. And then if it's a box type shape, then we use EFC box. So all this means is we're going to emit from center a certain type of blast shape at this XY location. That's all that means. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error here, end of the function, okay? In the unit test main section right here, okay? Where we're going through every single bomb category, where we're going through every single tile in our simulation map, where we've decided we have a bomb, we're going to explode the bomb. If it's 1 through 3, that is a spark pin, okay? 4 through 7, boom laser, right? 8 through 11, boom jacks, right? And then 12 through 15, boom box, right? So we're going to use the respective helpers for the different types of bombs that we want to explode or detonate, okay? If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to fucking go here. I'm out of fucking time!